This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 332 bhk is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new K-Z is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 11, water heater, Colorado Detector, awning, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, oven, slide-out, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 332 bhk is 7,130 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.